Hello friend, in this video I am going to discuss about how to filter rows in Power Query Editor using Microsoft Power BI. So at here this is the source that I am using. The source is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and there I am going to use the table EMP and employees. So this is the record inside EMP table and this is the record inside employees table. So let's here, so this is the Power Query Editor. Now here let's select EMP. So we can do the filter by many ways. So let's see the first. So at here, if you want to display some values, like if you don't want to display DPT number 10, so we can easily achieve that. Only you need to uncheck, and here you can see 10 that gone. Like this, if you don't want to display 20, uncheck, and here 20 that gone. So this is the simplest way we can do the filter. If you want to scroll back here, check this all, and here 10 20 it's displaying. So this is the first and simplest way we can do the filtering. And here after, let's select this time salary table, and here click on this drop down box, and here number of filter. So here you can see number of filters. So here you can use equal, and here click on OK, and here, so this is at here basic filter, and here I'm going to use 3000. So this is at here equal selected. You can use or greater than, less than, and other. So let's use equal first, and here giving the value 3000, and here if I click on OK, and here this is the processing. Now here the record to salary 3000 record, it's displaying. Like this you can use here number filter, and here greater than, if you want to display salary greater than 4000, so you can easily achieve that. So greater than, and here keep the value 4000, and here let's click on OK. So here 4000, only one employee has the salary 5000. Now here after, so this is the hire date, and here I check click this drop down box, and here date time filters. So you can use here equals, before, after, between, and here you can filter by month. So let's select here. So we need to check fasting. So here you can see 2244. So 2, that's for February. Now here let's go to month, and here give for February. So here click on insert, and after that here 22 9081, it's filtered. Now let's go back to navigate, and here, so this is the way we can do the filter. So this is the first way. And for ascending and descending order, if you want to see DPT number, this is unsorted. Now you can usually sort this, sort to ascending. After that it will display in the sorting format. Okay, so this is the first way. Now here after, let's see another way to filter the records. Now here total numbers of columns. So total numbers of column 8 and rows 14. So it's this is selected here. Now here you can see keep rows. So if you want to display only top 10 rows, so click there, keep rows. After that insert, and I want to display top 10, so write here 10. So it will display only top 10 rows. And here after here you can so this is keep rows, and here if you want to display So I want to display highest salary. Okay, highest salary. So first, what we need to do, so let's go to this place, and here use ascending, and here you can see the highest salary is the 5,000. So 5,000. Now here after check this, and here bottom. So here the 5,000 is the highest salary. Now here give bottom. So I wanna display bottom only 1. So give the value 1. So here you can see 5,000 highest salary. It's displaying. Like this you can use or keep bottom rows, keep range, and here keep duplicate. And hereafter we can use here remove rows, remove top. So if you don't want to display top 5 rows, okay, so top 5 rows I don't want to display. So let's go to this place, and here remove top, and here click on insert, and here at this place you need to give 5, so it will remove first 5. So here first 5 rows it's removed. Hereafter I'm going to show you the another way to remove some rows or columns. So here this is selected. Here you can see use the first row as a header. So if I click this, so here this rows is now converted into the header. So here you can see like this. If you don't want, use first row again, so 100 that gonna remove, and new place that come 101. And there is the one important thing, we can do the filtering by making group by. So let's go here, EMP, and navigator, and at this place go to group by, click on insert, and after inserting, so 10 making one group, and here, so let's give here some max underscore sal, and here maximum going to use salary. So here you can see it's first make the group, and then it's displaying maximum salary on the group. So the rows total here, it's a rows 3s, but it was 15 after that applying this, so it's now only displaying 3. So this is the way we can do the filtering inside Power Query editor. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.